Welcome back to Dagwoodz Tonsorium, everybody. I'm Dagwoodz with the Shaving Cadre. Today we're going to be doing a shave of the day with Jeeves of Hudson Street, Mountain Rain. So this is a tallow-based soap made out of a town just outside of Kansas City, Missouri. And the name is a very apt descriptor of the scent. It smells like the forest right after rain. It's got that sweet, the green sweet smell to it. Not quite fresh cut grass, but just it smells like springtime after a spring rain is what it smells like. It smells like a lush field or a forest. Not that damp musky, it's more bright. Really, really nice scent. The soap is really good. We're going to be doing some face lathering today. A little short on time, so what we're going to be using is the Shaving Cadre first anniversary brush. This is a Timberwolf knot, 24 millimeter, and the handle is done by Eric Sorrentino, smattayu on the Shaving Cadre. And then the razor for today is going to be the Filarmonica 14. So this is a Doble Temple, and this is a first generation JMP. So looking forward to that. We're going to do a quick hot towel and yeah, get right on with the shave. So let's, before anything else, let's get the brush wet, load up the soap. So this soap doesn't take long to load. I have done reviews for it before. You can search my channel on YouTube for it or back through the thread on the Shaving Cadre. Should be able to find it. This has one of the best face feels of any soap that I've used. It's got a real silky smooth feel on the face. So let's get all this excess goodies right on the face and rub that in. This will help activate the sebaceous glands along with the hot towel. So I'm actually not going to speed up the hot towel today. All right, I hope you guys got all that. Get my hands off, get my face a little wet, and start lathering. A little pressed on time today. Razor is already stropped. Strength of sun on this is about a 2.5 out of 5 off the puck. Out of the tub, I should say. About a 2.5 on the face. God, I love the way this stuff feels in the face. It feels absolutely wonderful. Let's get some more water in here. Hope everybody's week has started well. Did something entirely different laid out for my next shave, but So I had to go with something a little bit different. Nice lather, got plenty of lather for the next 2 passes. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to warm the blade up. Get it a little bit wet. And here we go. So you just have to remember when you're using a bigger blade, this is an 8/8 razor. So this is a full 1-inch blade. And it has a bit of heft that comes along with that. It is absolutely imperative that you really pay attention to your pressure. You should literally be trying to just wipe the lather off of your face. And that's as much pressure as you need to use. The razor will do the work, provided it has an adequate edge. Of which this does, the edge being done by Doc 226. A good doctor puts an amazing edge on the razors. Sorry for the noise outside. Not much I can do about that. All right, pass 1 in the books. All right, we're going to speed it up to the next 2 passes. And I'll see you on the other side, guys. All right, guys, we're all done. Went through, did the alum, did the stropping post shave. Yeah, did everything. The only thing we have left to do is put on a little bit of fragrance. So we're going to use a little bit of Paladin unscented balm. We're going to take a couple of squirts of that. 1 spritz of Penhaligon's Blenheim Bouquet. So about that much. Some people can use more, some people can use less. I use 4 squirts. It seems to be about right for me. And just take your fragrance of choice, 1 to 2 squirts. I wouldn't go any more than that, otherwise your balm gets a little loose. Emulsify it and apply. And you take a nice unscented balm. Help your face regain the moisture it lost through the shave. And it has a very nice, pleasing fragrance that will stick around a little bit longer than most aftershaves will, and will complement your fragrance of the day. So that's my shave for today, guys. Really is a wonderful shave, 0 irritation. So if you haven't checked out Jeeves of Hudson Street, I suggest you do so. I'll provide the link in the description to their website. They really do make a wonderful soap. Their aftershaves are really nice too. So check them out. If you haven't checked out the Shaving Cadre, stop on by www.theshavingcadre.com. Love to see you there. And I'm Dagwoodz with the Shaving Cadre. Take care, stay safe, have a great work week, and peace, guys.